This is Bob Marley, one of the cats that was rescued from the boiler room. And here's his sibling, Ziggy. And this is just the day before 911 at the shelter. And I wanted to say hello to them and have everybody have a look. They've graduated from the upstairs cat lounge where they were in their own crate to a separate room where they're now acclimating to having visitors. They've got a lot of space to themselves and they're not hiding. Bob is very social and outgoing and Ziggy's not in his shell. It's a ridiculous face. So they have the room here with steps, a lot of nice space. I just brought in some toys for them. They like their cushion. And they have two windows, a window here and one that looks out into the main area of the shelter. So they've got lots of space and room. And visitors come, everybody comes to socialize them. And they still hang out essentially in the corner on the floor, waiting by the door. Because really they're very friendly and sweet. Especially you big Lulu. So I'm going to start giving them a little catnip and stroking. Oops, you're a hog. Gosh, you're a hog. Here they are. Bob Marley and Ziggy. Two cats rescued from the boiler room. And they're doing very nicely. Yes, they are. They're doing very nicely. Here you go, Bo. There you go. Yeah. Bob and Ziggy aren't shy when it comes to treats. You like treats. You like treats in your new place? There you have it. Yes, boo-boo. The beautiful Bob Marley's having his treats like he needs them. And lovely Ziggy with his Alice in Wonderland face. And some more boo-boo. Hey, Sook. Hey, me Sook. I got a nice catnip toy for you. Got a Sook. They're doing very well.